The Mastercam for SolidWorks add-in is a great way to run Mastercam. It has the advantage of allowing the part to be easily altered when required, and all of the part tolerances are with the solid model. A part drawing is truly no longer required. Once my solid model is ready to start the toolpath programming process, I switch to the Mastercam Toolpath Manager tab here. And I can see what part configuration I am working with here. Next, I select the Mastercam ribbon here to see all of the available Mastercam functions. On the right side of the window, I can select this Mastercam tab to access the Mastercam site, user forums, the latest news feeds, help, downloads, and other useful information. The standard Mastercam views can be found from this drop-down menu. Useful CAD functions, which are not part of SolidWorks, can be found here. And all of the toolpaths which your sim will unlock are found in these drop-down menus. The configuration menu, found here, allows for many customizations. By selecting the Mastercam for SolidWorks tab on the left, I can set how I would like the software to be at startup. If I'm typically programming a mill, I would set the startup product to mill and the default planes to Mastercam top. Upon making any changes, I would select this blue circle with the white plus sign. In all Mastercam windows, this means to apply the changes and to continue working in the current open window. Selecting the question mark will open up the help menu for the current window. I'll close this window. Selecting the red X will close the window without saving my changes, and selecting the green check mark will close the window while applying my changes. These buttons are standard throughout all the Mastercam windows. The default CNC machine can be set here, and the system colors here. For the purpose of this course, I would encourage you not to try and change any default colors. As with SolidWorks, the default colors have meaning and will be referred to throughout the course. The green check mark here lets me know that I have made changes to the default settings. If I exit the window, these changes will only be active for this current time I'm using the software. If I wish to save these settings as a configuration, I would use the Save As option. Then I could open this configuration when I wish, or I could combine these settings with another by using this button. I'll close this window so as not to change any of the system default settings.